Assalamu alaikum. So guys, today I am going to make Karahi, Alu Karahi with chicken. So it's very delicious and I am going to make it with Pakistani style. I have cut the onion into small pieces. You may see now. So guys, we have put the onion inside the oil, okay, and we are waiting for it to be little much red. The color of the onion should be red little much, okay. Until it red, you should subscribe and hit the bell icon. So guys, as you see that we have already put the onion inside the oil. So now see the color of oil little bit change, okay. Now we will put the meat inside it. So guys, we are watching that the color of the meat is going to change, okay. Color of the chicken is going to change. So let's fry it for 1 more minute. Inshallah it will be delicious, you will see, inshallah. So guys, now the color of the meat is changed, the color of chicken is changed and it is fry almost, and the remaining something now we are going to put some tomatoes, see, and chili. See guys, we already have put tomatoes and chili. So at this time we are not using the powder. We will use the powder later. First of all, fry this, okay. Let's mix it. See guys. So guys, we are waiting for it to prepare. So until then we should recite Holy Quran. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas, malikin nas, ilahin nas, min sharril waswasil khannas, alladhi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas, minal jinnati wan nas. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq, min sharri ma khalaq, wa min sharri naffasati fil 'uqad, wa min sharri hasidin idha hasad. Bismillah. So guys, as we see, our dish is almost ready. Now we put potato inside. It's time to put potato. See, we have prepared potato here. So guys, we already put potato inside it, and now we are frying the potato and cooking it until it not boiled properly. The potato should be boiled properly so it become very tasty, inshallah. So until the potato is finished, we should recite Holy Quran. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. So guys, we already put water inside our Punjabi potato karahi. So now we will put some jeera. We call it jeera in Punjabi, and now in our karahi is almost ready. We're just waiting for the potatoes to be boiled properly, because the boiled potato will so much delicious, mashallah. So guys, see, our karahi is ready. Our potato are totally boiled, and now I'm going to take it out, and I will present in front of you people, inshallah. You will like it. So guys, we have already made our karahi, so we are going to try it. See, the shape is so much delicious and so much beautiful. We are trying it on rice. So I'm trying. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So much yummy, so much delicious. You should also made it at home. So be ready for the next video. I will meet you soon, inshallah. So hit the channel, do comment, do like, do subscribe my channel, and share it. Share the video as much as you can, so people can also learn how to make such a karahi. Thank you.